Have you ever dreamed of an island getaway that's a perfect blend of natural beauty, history, and luxury? Welcome to Sardinia, Italy, where crystal clear waters meet rolling hills and ancient ruins. This Mediterranean gem is one of the most exclusive and sought-after travel destinations, offering something for everyone, from stunning beaches to charming villages. Let's dive into why Sardinia should be at the top of your bucket list. Let's start with the beaches. Sardinia boasts some of the most pristine and beautiful beaches in the world. Imagine lounging on white sand while gazing at turquoise waters. One of the most famous beaches is Costa Smeralda. Known for its luxurious resorts and elite clientele, Costa Smeralda offers an unbeatable combination of natural beauty and upscale services. If you're looking for something quieter, head to Cala Brandinci, often referred to as Little Tahiti, for its calm waters and picturesque views. But Sardinia isn't just about the beaches. It's also an island rich in history and culture. The island's past dates back to ancient times, and you can experience it firsthand by visiting sites like the Nuragic complex of Barumini. These ancient stone structures, known as nurages, are scattered throughout the island and offer a glimpse into Sardinia's pre-Roman civilization. Visiting these sites is like stepping back in time, offering a fascinating perspective on the island's history. For those who love exploring charming villages, Sardinia is filled with them. Head to the town of Bosa, where pastel-colored houses line the narrow streets, and the view of the Temo River is simply breathtaking. Another gem is Alghero, a medieval town with Catalan influences. Walk along its cobblestone streets and enjoy the picturesque harbor, or explore the ancient city walls. Sardinia's charming villages offer a perfect blend of history, culture, and scenic beauty. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, Sardinia has no shortage of adventure. The island's rugged interior offers some of the best hiking opportunities in Europe. One must-do hike is to the top of Gennargentu, the highest peak in Sardinia. The views from the top are nothing short of spectacular, with rolling hills, lush valleys, and even a glimpse of the Mediterranean Sea in the distance. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or exploring on horseback, Sardinia's natural landscapes offer plenty of ways to immerse yourself in its beauty. Let's talk about food, because a trip to Sardinia wouldn't be complete without tasting its incredible cuisine. Sardinian food is known for its fresh, local ingredients and traditional recipes. Be sure to try porceddu, a slow-roasted suckling pig that's a local specialty. Pair it with a glass of cannonau, Sardinia's famous red wine, and you'll be experiencing the island's flavors in the most authentic way possible. Sardinia is also known for its cheeses, especially Pecorino Sardo, which is made from sheep's milk and has a unique, tangy flavor. No visit to Sardinia would be complete without exploring the island's ancient ruins. The island is home to several archaeological sites, including the Nuragic Bronze Age structures, which are scattered across the countryside. These ancient stone towers, known as nurages, date back to around 1500 BC and are one of the most significant archaeological features in Europe. Exploring these sites is a step back in time, and they offer an authentic connection to Sardinia's past. If you're into luxury, Sardinia delivers in style. The island is home to exclusive resorts, world-class spas, and yacht-filled harbors. Head to the glamorous Costa Smeralda for high-end shopping, dining, and private beaches. This is the place where the rich and famous come to relax, and you'll experience the ultimate in luxury. Whether you're indulging in a spa treatment or sipping cocktails by the beach, Sardinia offers a level of sophistication that will make you feel like royalty. For those who want to explore Sardinia's incredible coastline, a boat tour is a must. Sardinia is famous for its hidden coves and crystal clear waters. Take a boat ride to the stunning La Maddalena Archipelago, a group of islands known for their unspoiled beauty and incredible marine life. You can swim, snorkel, or simply enjoy the breathtaking views. It's an experience that's truly unique to Sardinia. In addition to its beaches and natural beauty, Sardinia is known for its lively festivals. One of the most famous is the Carnival of Oristano, a celebration that dates back centuries. The carnival features traditional Sardinian music, dancing, and colorful parades, making it a lively and unique experience. If you're lucky enough to visit during this time, it's an event you won't want to miss. Sardinia's climate is another reason why it's such a great destination. The island enjoys mild temperatures year-round, with warm summers and mild winters. Whether you're visiting in the height of summer or during the cooler months, Sardinia's climate ensures that you can enjoy outdoor activities year-round. The best time to visit is from April to June or September to October, when the weather is pleasant and the island is less crowded. Sardinia is easily accessible by air, with direct flights available from major European cities. Once you arrive, getting around the island is easy thanks to its well-maintained roads and highways. Whether you're renting a car or taking a guided tour, exploring Sardinia is a breeze. To sum it all up, Sardinia is a luxury destination that offers a mix of natural beauty, ancient history, and modern luxury. From stunning beaches and hikes to delicious food and luxury resorts, there's no shortage of things to do and see on this Italian island. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or culture, Sardinia has something to offer. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and make Sardinia your next luxury destination. If you want to see more of the world's best luxury travel destinations, be sure to subscribe to Romists.